Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the CGBOOM 40mm 2mm wire rope set. CGBOOM brings us the 304 stainless steel wire rope tension wire, a steel cable coated with eyelid rope tension set. For climbing plants, climbing clotheslines, 13 ropes, light rope, or where you need a rope, you can use that here. Because it's made out of stainless steel, it's a cable system. The wire rope set contains 40mm, 2mm 304 stainless steel wire rope trellis, and 5x M5 304 stainless steel turnbuckle sieve hooks, and 10x M3 wire rope clamp, 20x aluminum crimping loops, 10x M5 eyelid screws stainless steel, 10x wire rope trims, 10x plastic expansion tubes, and one open-end wrench. The 2mm wire rope contains all the tools we need during installation. We can design different types of lighting brackets easily and quickly for different occasions. Trails for climbing parts here, and for the good plants. The wire rope steel rope with 40-meter lengths, made of high quality stainless steel. The PVC coating wire rope surface has a good corrosion resistance and rust resistance. The M3 stainless steel rope clamp is thick and durable. This does not rust, is acid resistant, corrosion resistant, and it is not easy to oxidize, so that it can be exposed to the complex environment we like. This guard wire set here for climbing plants can protect plants in any season. 40-meter wire rope is a length, which is good. The length of this stainless steel rope coated made of 304 stainless steel is 40 meters, that is 132 feet, and the diameter is 2 millimeters. The PVC coated makes the surface smoother and burr-free. The steel wire rope made of 7 strands with 7 wires each, tightly wound, is much stronger than the 7-90 or the 6-90 or the 6-36 devices. This wire rope for trellis, and trellis aids is less abrasive, strong weather resistant, waterproof, rust and corrosion resistance, provides strong support for all heavy duty tasks, and an easy installation, as you can see. We can cut the desired length. The M3 clamp is used to make a ring in the wire rope and consists of a socket with screws and nuts. It's easy to apply, remove and reuse. The lock and the hook and the eye design of this turnbuckle is adjustable, which is easy to install and, of course, to remove. Detailed, see that video can show you the different kinds of possibility what you can use this rope set here used for. Really, we have here a multi-purpose wire rope kit. With 2mm wire rope kit with turnbuckle can handle a wide range of heavy tasks, including steel rope hanging systems, cable railing systems, deck railing kit, hanging outdoor lighting, or as a washing line wire. Enough rope tensioners allows more flexibility in use. As a gate wire tension kit, a wire trellis kit, a cable railing kit, a cable curtain rod system, and a picture hanging wire, a decorative fence wire, a trellis wire kit, and so on. I think every household needs a CGBOOM 40-meter 2mm wire rope set. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.